This sweet viewer, subscriber sent me these loaves, and I'm going to show them to you in action. I am in love. My sweet, wonderful neighbors gave me blueberries that they picked, and I just can't believe how sweet they are. But anyway, they gave me a whole bunch of blueberries, and I've already made my grandkids blueberry pancakes, and I made some blueberry scones, and they were so good. We ate every one of them, and I thought, you know what? I have not made blueberry scones for you. And so today I'm going to give you my blueberry scone recipe, and let me tell you, outstanding it is. So let's get started. Simple, easy recipe. Okay, so we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. And I do have my microphone on today. Can you believe it? So the first thing we're going to put in is 2 cups of sifted flour. It's all going right in the bowl. We need 1 egg, just 1. So now we need 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I can't believe I picked it on the first try. Okay, now we're going to need 1/2 cup of heavy cream. So this is a 4, so I'm just going to need 2 of these. So 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Okay, guys, I got to show you guys something. Now, the other day I go to my P.O. box, and this was in there. And I have since ordered me another pair of these loaves. Now watch this. We're going to put in 1 stick of butter in our scones. And I'm going to list these in my Amazon store. Look at this. You can touch it. You can go all the way down to the very bottom of your butter. And we're grating this butter to go in our scones. It was cold, unsalted butter. And if you only have salted, just leave out the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That's all you have to do. But today I'm using unsalted. Oh my gosh, look guys. Absolutely can go all the way down. Look at this. I'm in heaven. I do get excited about kitchen stuff now, I'm telling you. Cleaning products, kitchen stuff, we go crazy over them. So anyway, there is that, and you got to get, and they wash up great. I know, because I've always used these 2 or 3 times since I got them a couple days ago, and love them. So yes, I'm in love. So now, and they'll just wash up. And if you can cut something with them, with your knives or onions, I used them the other day to cut onions. Yeah, y'all would be so proud. Okay, now we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm not sponsored by those. I'm just in awe of those. Do you hear me? Just in awe of those. All right, so now I'm just going to whisk this together. I did put in my cream. Did I put in? Yes, I did. Did I? Did I put in a 1/2 cup of cream? I might need a little bit more. Just a little. I might need just a little more cream. It just doesn't have the right texture right now. So, and here in North Carolina, it is a very rainy day, and we need to make sure we pray for all those people in Texas. Oh my goodness, what a sad, sad situation. We just need to pray that they would all be found safe, you know, and just comfort those parents. Okay, now we need 1 cup of fresh blueberries, and I have washed these. So, and this is a 2-cup measure, and this is a 2-cup measure, so I've got 1 cup of fresh blueberries, and guys, these blueberries, so good. I honestly do believe that it is because of the weather outside. Weather has such a, weather does affect your baking. It really and truly does. Okay, I'm going to just set this right here. And we're going to pat it out. I need a little bit of flour. And we're just going to kind of pat it out. I'm not going to knead it anymore. Find it really good. And I'm going to get out my rolling pin. I'm just going to do it softly, gently, not very heavy. You might need a little bit of flour. I said, oh, I'm gonna make blueberry scones for you guys. The other day I made them, it took 5 minutes. Seems like today it's just taking me a little longer. Just take me a little time to get this dough working. But you know what? I did change flour, so that I changed to a different flour this week. I had to get something a little bit cheaper. I love White Lily, but a little bit high. Okay, I'm gonna kind of roll it out just a little bit, and as you roll it, you can feel it moving. And you'll just know you want about 1 inch thick on your scones. I'm going to wash my hands and we're going to cut out these scones. Now we are going to cut these. I'm going to cut them into 4s first. Okay, we got 8 scones here, and I'm gonna get out my cookie sheets. Start by picking them up, placing them right on the cookie sheet. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that blueberry hanging down. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Changing flours really shouldn't change your recipe, but sometimes it, I don't know, sometimes it can. But I bought the Walmart unbleached flour, and I bought the Walmart unbleached flour instead of the White Lily this time because I just need to save some money. We're going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And I always double my sheet pan because I don't want it too dark on the bottom. Our blueberry scones are ready. Let's get them out of the oven. Those are perfect. Beautiful, beautiful scones. Leave a little butter out so I can have it soften. And it's going to melt really good on these scones. We don't want it to be soggy. I don't want to pour butter right on top. I just want to kind of brush it on. These stayed in the oven for 25 minutes. 25 minutes for these scones. Just a little bit more. It's kind of going to glaze. And we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of sugar right on top where that butter is. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. So we're going to let these cool, and then we're going to not let them cool long because I'm going to eat one of them while they're really hot. But these are wonderful. These are wonderful snacks. These are wonderful for an afternoon tea or dessert, or great for breakfast with some scrambled eggs, or just great with coffee or hot tea. And they are pretty perfect. And remember, I did use a different flour. So we're going to try it to make sure it tastes the same. If it does, I'm just going to keep using the unbleached, non-GMO Walmart flour. Okay, guys. This is my bottom of my scone, which is perfect. It's not too dark. And if you don't use two pans, they will be way too dark. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Look at those blueberries. There, it's piping hot. And my husband picked some of me because I can eat really hot food. I think it's a southern thing. So good. Honestly, and I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I think the Walmart flour tastes better. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for liking. You guys are awesome. For subscribing. You guys are great. Just wonderful. And I want to say thank you for just encouraging me through this YouTube world and your kind comments. You guys are awesome. You got to try these scones, guys. And that flour from Walmart is wonderful. I think I love the scones better. So you guys keep watching, keep commenting. I just love you guys. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.